I rise to take this opportunity to speak today about the significant role of the International Solar Alliance, but join my colleagues in congratulating you, sir, in your appointment as the Speaker of the House. The International Solar Alliance, ISA, has been vigorously working with Fiji to leverage solar energy as a critical pathway for energy transformation and sustainable development, recognizing the significant potential of solar power to diversify energy generation, improve energy access, and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Fiji formally joined the ISA by ratifying the Framework Agreement on 25th October 2017. The Ministry, as the focal ministry for the ISA, has been making substantial strides in solar energy implementation and capacity development in the last few years. So one of the notable achievements has been the successful commissioning of solar projects in the healthcare center. ISA provided technical and financial support to develop demonstration solar projects, resulting in the solarization of health centers, each equipped with 8 kWp solar installation. This initiative not only demonstrates the practical application of solar technology, but also highlights the potential for improving energy infrastructure in critical public services such as health. Capacity building has also been a cornerstone for ISA's engagement with Fiji, sir. Through comprehensive training programs, the ISA supported human resource development across various domains. To date, the country has benefited from targeted training initiatives, including participants in master's level training degree, and also training in solar rooftop technology and solar SMEs bankers training. These programs are designed to build local expertise and create a sustainable ecosystem for solar energy development and deployment. The current engagement between ISA and Fiji is multifaceted and forward-looking. A significant progress has been a letter of cooperation between ISA and the Ministry, focusing on scaling solar rooftop projects in various facilities, including schools, health centers, as well as developing solar mini-grid projects for rural communities. So the country has also expressed keen interest in expanding solar applications, particularly in agriculture, with a proposal for 27 solar pumps under the Scaling Solar Application for Agriculture Use, SSWAU program, and in the Water Energy Nexus, to ensure that all Fijians, including those residing in the rural and maritime areas, have access to clean, safe drinking water. There are numerous diesel-powered pumps at boreholes around the country, and we are working with ISA to solarize these. So several promising initiatives, as I already mentioned, including potential sites for solar mini-grids, rooftop projects, floating solar projects, solar-powered ferries or boats. Discussions are ongoing for implementing a solar grid at the Public Rental Board with a tripartite agreement already shared for signing. ISA is also providing policy and regulatory support to create an enabling environment for the private sector investments for solar energy development and deployment. Looking ahead, the ISA is planning to support Fiji in implementing innovative solar solutions, including solar cold storage facilities, further solarization of health centers under the ISA MA Quad Climate initiatives. We are currently discussing feasibility of hybrid boats with solar power and then expanding solarized streetlights for our roads and community areas. These efforts align with Fiji's broad goals of improving energy security, reducing carbon emissions, and promoting sustainable development. All key areas discussed at the recent COP. So as Fiji continues to embrace solar energy, the partnership with the ISA represents a promising pathway to address energy challenges, support economic resilience, and contribute to global climate action. Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Minister for Public Works, Meteorological Services and Transport, Honourable Filipe.